My fans, subscribers around the world, this is time to, we are now moving this palm seed, this oil palm, the seed. It is time to move them to the mill. You know, understand? So we'll move on to the mill. So I know that many of us don't, I'll still show us the processes. You know, understand? So let's go. I am moving them, like I'm putting them inside bags. 100 kg is outside. I'll still show us in this video. If you look in this video, you will see we have already put them in bags. You know, understand? Like, so I'm still loading. Stay with me on this video. Stay with me on this video. Let's go. I don't want my video to be full of. You understand? And another thing you need to know, looking at it in this video, you will see that I have bags put on the floor. The reason for these bags on the floor is to keep it clean from sand. You know, understand? So if you don't know why we are putting bags before we put the seed on top, so I'm gonna get open my back. So that's one way we can get back and today is Sunday. I'm taking it to the mill to be processed tomorrow, to be milled tomorrow. You know, understand? So I could not take it all throughout the way because I was really doing these activities. So So my fans, please, if you want to go into oil palms farming, even though that one bunch, not the same process. If you don't pack those ones off for that ground, some still they will have to them cover this thing zinc. We won't keep that one for us. So the processes are still the same. You just get the same process. The cutting, and then no, that's not. First 100 kg field. First, let me go and show you guys. First 100 kg field. See here. First 100 kg field. It is here. Stop playing. First 100 kg field. We now move to the next one. If you have watched this video to this point, and you have found my videos informative to get on about what engagement, what you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post any video just like this one, because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Juicy Agri. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.